Is it little?
Oh, look at she's all wrinkly.
That's my big hand.
Her
Yeah.
hand is big. Look at her little hand. Why is it all wrinkly?
And take a
She
shower.
took a shower. Was she in the bath for a long time?
With some,
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It's Q box.
Oh no.
What?
It's the wheels fire man.
Whoa!
Wow. Put your finger out like that. Show grandma your
She's holding her finger.
Look, you gotta hear the click. Watch. Hear that? Ah, I got you. That didn't hurt. Oh, I was just kidding. Here, look. Look.
Parker, that is a really...
What do you think about baby London? Pretty excited to have her here. We talked about her for a long time, huh?
Hi.
Smile, baby, and then
Smile. Was that a toot? It was. She tooted.
smile.
Tell Mommy what she did.
Toot. But Noah not big boat.
Noah's big boat. London, listen. Oh, she's not listening. Oh, okay, now she is.
Okay, tell her.
Noah made big boat.
It's okay.
It's okay. She's just gonna cry for just a second.
Remember babies cry sometimes? Keep telling her the story. Tell her more.
She's listening.
What happened after Noah made the big boat?
Rain come down.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, tell her.
Okay, now sing to her.
Twinkle star, I wonder what you are. Above so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle star, I wonder what you are. Above so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, star, I wonder what you are.
Look it, you calmed her down.
She's not crying anymore because you said it.
Good. Can you
It's a little bit too hard, remember?
you
It's
trying,
a ball.
are you trying to burp her?
Oh, you're trying to burp her.
Yeah, real soft like that.
Catch your head. There you go. Hold her up. There you go. She loves you.
Jesus loves me, this I know. So the Bible tell me, ignorance don't be they always be mentioned.
Okay, we're getting London undressed for her first bath at home. And we're guessing that she's not gonna like it. But we shall see. It's a bright light, huh, baby? Maybe she likes it.
So far, so good. Look at how little she is.
Okay. Lift her. Say hi, Daddy.
She's looking at you like, why did you do that? My precious.
Oh, bless you. Say hi, Daddy. Oh, she go to sleep.
Hello.
Oh, I named Dolphin. I named Bee.
Good.
All right, buddy.
What else is in your stocking?
We shoot it like when we go
Pew, 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 pew.
Good.
Pew, pew, pew.
Get mommy.
Good.
Pew, pew, pew.
Oh.
Pew, pew.
Space buddies, it's called. The little puppies in space.
That's
Say
from
thank you.
Grammy and Poppy.
Thank you.
In a little bit, okay? That one just was like that. Watch, put your car on this. What? Oh my goodness, a real Buzz?
He talks? Oh, cool. He likes the ribbon.
Whoa. Good job, dude.
It's open that.
Another shirt. How pretty. Thank you. Smile for me. Smile. Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Okay. Hi. Oh, bless you. Bless you. There's your brother Parker. Parker, why don't you talk to her?
Hi. Wait.
Yeah, she's awake.
I
You love her? Is she big or is she small?
have big.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. She's so pow.
What?
She's so pow.
No.
I have.
You love her? Yeah. Are you her big brother? You are. And when she gets bigger, what are you gonna do?
It's share with her toys.
You are? You're gonna share your toys with her?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What?
You gotta say, oh, I forgot to go for 1, 2 with baby Aden and Poco and Daddy.
Oh no. That doesn't sound good. That I forgot to go for a run. Yeah.